This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Kathy Burby. Wow! Views and privacy abound at this log cabin on 7 acres located only a few miles from Columbia or Sonora. This log cabin features knotty pine interior throughout, adding to the mountain charm. The main floor has an open floor plan featuring a great room with a wall of windows to take in the fabulous views. Also on the main floor is a large bedroom and spacious bathroom. Upstairs are 2 more bedrooms separated by a Jack and Jill bath. Take in the views and watch the sunset from the concrete patio surrounding 2 sides of the cabin. There is also a covered porch on the kitchen side. There are 2 large steel containers to meet all your storage needs. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathy Burby at 209-532